everyone, welcome to another episode with your good friend Yoshi King. Today we will be playing Garten of BanBan. Garten of BanBan. This is a game that has been requested to me from a friend who has seen my channel, which is pretty much the only person who gave me a request, which is nice. But anyways, yeah, this is Garten of BanBan. We're going to be playing this, and before we get into it, I want you guys to comment down below what game I should play next, because obviously this is one of the games I will be playing. As you can see, there is a series, but yeah, if you want me to play any other games, let me know down in the comments, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, we're in this room. This looks interesting. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Is there like a test or something here? Okay, we're gonna, this looks like, by my calculation, 10 o'clock. So 10, oh, chair moved, okay. 11, 12, oh, that's different. Okay, so there's like a different thing in each one. Ooh, doors open. Oh wait, that was one of the guys in front. Oh shoot, what was it? I don't think it showed his name. Oh well. That's actually cool. Okay, one. Okay. I see two, but I see this one also. There could be many different things it could be. Even though I am trained, I do the weirdest things when I have my free time. I train myself with black and white colors, so I know this is red. But it could be paint. I just hope it's paint. Okay, now the room's dark. 3 a.m. Everyone watch it, 3 a.m. Oh shoot. Are we about to meet the devil? Oh. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, this is what we saw in the beginning. Oh, that's cool. Okay, okay, we got crewmates. Jumbo Josh, that's the green guy. Okay. Jumbo Josh, sorry guys. Having a hard time talking today. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong, like me. He does look... He's strong, but he's got small feet. Very small feet. He must not be a very good runner. Okay, this is a nice room. Okay, we got another one. It's that orange guy. Stinger Flynn. Having many arms allows me to help a lot of people. A lot more people. That's nice. That is nice. This is actually nice. I like the details in this. Garten. Oh, I get it. Garten of BanBan. Kindergarten. That makes sense. That's funny. What's this? Okay. That's cool. Okay. If I am smart, and usually I'm not, blue goes to blue, and I just picked up a blue key card, and whatever this is, could it be a key card holder? Oh, yes it is. Yay! Well, let's jump. Oh, baby. Forget buying one in Fred Meyer's. We got one right here. Okay. Requires 2 batteries. So, let's take a look at this note. Here. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. That's a strange monster. That looks like a... Hold a second. That does look like... That looks familiar with something. Wait a minute. Yeah, it looks kind of... I have a nephew, guys, and if you guys got little siblings, you know that you gotta work very hard to figure out what they look like. And even though I haven't played this game before, by looking at this place, this wall, before looking at that picture, you can obviously tell he was drawing the bird thing right here. So I have no idea what we're gonna get into. Some strong monster though. Yeah, that's one strong monster. Oh, batteries, okay. I don't think this was here. You guys go back, when I came into the kitchen. Was these there? I don't know. Okay, we got one battery. Wait, maybe it's over. Same table. I love green. Green's my color. You can honestly tell because oh, here it is. I'm, Yoshi. I love green. Jungle Josh is probably my favorite so far because... Oh! Yeah, we got a green... They know me. They know me. Look at that. That's a green drone. Pickle on, man. Yeah, you're custom. I'm gonna have like a logo soon. I might have a logo. I don't know. But yeah, you're fitting the custom logo, buddy. Yeah. I'm talking to a drone. Okay. Okay, that's what that button does. And that's... Okay, I hit the button. You should hit the button, not hit the wall. There you go. That's a smart drone. Oh, okay, right. I should be paying attention to the instructions. I think it did give me the instructions on how to do this. Okay. Let's go. And there's a... Sorry about that noise. I make stupid noises when I get excited and scared at the same time. I see some similarities to the bird. Let's get a closer look. Closer. Oh, nope, we're gonna be gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just joking with you guys. We are gonna get into this. We are not leaving this place until we find our child. I sound gay. What a dummy. Can I get in here? Yeah, good. Oh. So you can go into the classroom, but not in the hall? That is, dumb. Okay. Well, you know what? We're gonna just spawn you here. Be my light. Come here. You got lights on you. You be my light. You're a poor light. If my calculations are correct, and they usually aren't, if we used the blue key card for that blue button in the other room, do we still have access in using it here? Oh, we do. That's nice. Oh no. It's the birdie! Yay! Let's go say hi to the birdie. Can I jump on you? Oh, I can walk through you. You're a ghost now. That's fun. Ah, we got a Pila bird. Is that you? Okay, I see some similarities and differences. Starting with your eyes. Feed eggs to... Thank you. You cannibal. Wait. Yeah, why you want to eat eggs? You... Oh my goodness, how many? Okay. Apila mission, if you choose to accept it, which I do. Apila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay, simple enough, simple enough. Let's... Oops, sorry. Let's grab some eggs. There's already one here, so that's perfect. Let's go find some more. Any more in the edges? If my calculations are correct. Okay, oops, got caught there. Down the slide. I want to go down. Whee! Oh, that was fun. Button, get over here. Don't be dumb. Go straight for it. Good boy. Good boy. What did that do? Oh. I mean, I was hoping to see, like, a mascot. Like, it's called BanBan Kindergarten. Let me see the BanBan. Where's BanBan? I want to see BanBan. Sorry, I'm getting too excited on this. Oh, I keep clicking that button. Sorry, guys. I'm still learning the controls on this game. Okay, we got another one. I was gonna say there should be one all four corners of the round playground. Is that all of them? Oh, that's all of them. Check around this tree. Yeah, that should be all of them. Oh, that's... I have chickens. I live in a farm. But it's not normal for a chicken to eat its own eggs. Let alone being force eat it. This is not a chicken. What is this? It's like a pila. Is it an ostrich? It's not letting me anymore. Did we get it all? Ugh! Oh, that's disgusting! That is really disgusting. Okay, for the cannibalism of this bird is one thing. Puking out a key card is another thing. Where the heck did you get a key card? First of all, did you eat someone? Oh, jeez, that sucks. That would suck. Oh, wait. Wait. Hello? Okay. A destructive tool is needed to remove the planks. Wait, can I crouch? Oh, there's no crouching in the game. Okay. Well, we got a key card, so let's take a look at these other rooms. Maybe it has a destructed item, like a drill. Or oh, it's this guy. Okay, what's his name? Captain Fiddles. Captain, you're fiddling with your fingers again. Can we open any of these doors? Oh shoot, I clicked the wrong one. Okay. Anyone else? Nope, not that one. Okay, what do you say? Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Oh, that's nice, Mrs. Bambolina. That is real nice. Okay, we have room. Oh, wait. The toy cannot... Is this what the drone's called? A toy? Toy cannot destroy directly a command of breaking yellow glass. So it can't break yellow glass? Okay, I won't break it. Okay, BanBan says, sharing is caring, your pancreas is mine. What's a pancreas? Okay, so I figured out what a pancreas. It's somewhere right on your waist or something. Why would you want a pancreas? Let alone put it in a kindergarten classroom. Seems a bit weird. BanBan, there's the mascot. That is the mascot. The end is near. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. You. Whack him. I need you. So my plan is to get the drone through this window, this spot right here. I think I need to click this. Oh no. Don't come this way, you idiot. I mean, yeah, okay. Good job. Now go that way. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. The button goes there. Okay, now we get you in here. Oh. I looked at what it was asking me, telling me. It wasn't saying, it wasn't saying, it's saying that you can't, like, do that. Can't command it onto the other blocks, but you can break it. Okay. I just did a dumb mistake. Now if I hit it right here, it can break the glass. Yeah, okay, that makes sense now. So we know better. We know better, guy. Toy. So this thing opened. So let's look at the note first. Distraction at 1. 1 o'clock? Oh! The clock? From earlier? I don't know. And we got a hammer. Oh, I got an idea. Hammer breaks things. Oh, whew! Whoa. Wait, things are movable in this game? Now, we're not gonna leave this place undancerized. Come on, all of you. We're moving. Everyone, everything must move, must clear a path. We must have a disco thing for this single chair. Ready? Here we go. Perfect. Oh, you guys can't stay standing. Get over. Knocked over. All of you. Knocked over. You can't live. I mean, you can live, but you're good. Oh, there he is. Oh, great. I'm gonna push you. Okay, we're in this room. Why would this be in a nursery? Oh! Now, those are bird. I am guessing those holes are beak holes. And those painted, I want to say painted, but they look like blood. Yeah, they were, I think they belong to a certain person I'm looking at. Laughing is the best medicine. So make sure to smile. Yes, for some reason I don't want to smile to you. Okay, boom. Okay, that just got on, so I'm guessing that has to do. Okay, I thought it was coming. Let's bring it in here. Hey, buddy. Meet me on the other side, would you? I'll be right there. Race you. Are you just gonna stop right there? Oh, that's just a void. Oh, that guy. How long has he traveled? Wait, can I jump? Oh. Oh, that's cool. Okay, what do we got here? Hold up. Hold up, guys. My phone's ringing. Sorry. There it is. Hello? Yeah. Yes, I am playing. Okay, tell me. Really? Okay, I'll take a look. Okay. Bye. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My friend just called me, and so happens he's catching me on this. He's telling me there's a secret here. So I'm gonna take a look. Oh, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it right here. I'm alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but nobody, no one. No wait, I'm reading that one. It looks like an N. Everyone left me. Everyone has party without me. Miss Masson sees me but go. I am scared because hole is low and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Why do you think the bird is funny? Whoever wrote this, I think it's my kid. My kid's a poet, but he's a scary poet. Okay, why is this here? We might need it. Oh, wait. Wait. Do these have... Oh, they have a top. Wait. This is giving me an idea. Is the secret over here? Wait, if I jump up... Oh, yeah, I can see what's up here. Oh, wait. There's something right there. Wait, can I get a little closer up? Yeah, it's right there. Let me try to get it. I got it. An egg? Hold up. I thought it was just... Is that the secret? An egg? That doesn't make sense. Why is there an egg in, Oh, shoot. Oh, was I supposed to go and... Get it, buddy! Don't let it get away! It was 6. Is there, like, 7 eggs now? Instead of 6 eggs, there's 7 eggs? That seems kind of weird. John, you are a failure. Get over here. I'll meet you here. But it wouldn't allow... Oh! Now it's allowing an egg. Whack it for me for good luck. Oh yeah, you're dumb. Drone's dumb. Okay. Is it gonna open something? Is there something gonna pop out? Of course it has another key card. I mean, I bet it was. This is... I didn't even think... See, I'm growing. I'm growing with a brain. Oh, this is the room that we were in. That we saw. Wait. There's no camera over here. Then how did he see it? Oh wait, is there like a character that is mentioned in the game? He's not here, buddy. Okay, we got a boarding pass. Oh, this is the teacher that was in that note. Oh shoot, I don't have a QR code scanner with me. My phone is literally a my phone is literally a cell phone, or like a flip phone, so I don't have QR codes. But hey, if you guys do a favor for me, this a QR code, if you can, see what it is, and then send me or comment down below what it says or what it is, it shows you, and so that I can react to it, because I don't know what it is right now. Okay, we're good. Is the chair's back to its... Can I sit in it? Okay, let's go back. Because I think that was just a secret. And, oh wait, I can sprint right. And probably not very important. Oh shoot, almost falling. Ah! That shows you guys how much of okay, so that I guess has saved. Get over here, buddy. We need you. Oh wait, watch out for the... Did we talk about this? You're an idiot. Okay. That is a dumb, very dumb thing. Wait. Oh, these are the characters. Okay, all on the poster, so what does this do? Oh, I had to memorize them all, didn't I? Thank you, buddy. Okay, so let me look at all the characters, all the colors of the buttons first. So there's red, yellow, pink, blue, green, orange, white, red. Okay, so I remember some of these. I have to guess on one of them, I think. Well, it wouldn't really matter, would it? Okay, so I know this one's white because we just passed it when we went to that secret. I know this guy's green because my favorite color is green. And I know that guy's red because well, I can't get that pancreas thing out of my mind. This guy's pink because I know I can see it right over there. So orange, right? And then you're blue. Is he blue? I don't know. Oh, yep, he's blue. Well, again. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not very good with my controls. Okay, we got a key card. Hold up, I didn't start anything. Oh, that's good. Ah! Bird's alive. Bird's alive. Bird's alive. Whack the bird. Oh, you dummy. Wrong side. That is a live bird. It's coming very close. Button. Oh, it's getting a little closer. No, 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 no. Oh, it's right there. I can't move. Sorry! Oh my goodness. I didn't want to kill a bird. Oh, now what do I do? I mean, it tried to kill me. Dude, my heart's pounding on that. That was kind of scary. I didn't really get caught, so it wasn't that scary. I'm an idiot if I do this. I'm coming, bird! Hey guys, it's Yoshi King with a special announcement time. As you can see, I have been making a couple of videos, this one being the worst. Yeah, I'll deal with that later. But as you can see, I do different types of videos. From my introduction, I started with video game videos. I did one reaction video. I played a live person game along with this game also, and I did my own storyboard like SMG4. I also tried doing a puppet video and a gospel video, and I also tried doing some memes. Yeah, I don't think the memes really worked. But thank you to the 20 subscribers that actually subscribe to me and is willing to watch my stuff. But now to the case. I had a person on this video ask me, let's just click onto it. That looks like me. I had someone here that said, also, shout out to this guy, by the way, saw your video on my feed. Have you thought about or tried making your videos like 15 minutes episodes? And I'm going to respond to you personally and to everyone who's also thinking the same thing. Yes, I have been trying. I just get into the game. Have you ever gotten into a game and you just can't stop, and then you realize you recorded all of the fun moments, and so even though you edit out the hard moments, you still get a lot of time on it? So yeah, that's me. I'm sorry. Still, if you guys want to help me, I am looking for game ideas, and I will be trying to get lower stuff or videos, so be patient for me. I am trying. And as also, I am willing to receive some ideas. I'm going to be sending a post right after this video is unleashed of me doing something very idiotic. That's why I'm doing this announcement. But if you guys want me to, New Year's is coming, and this logo I'm going to change. So if you guys have any ideas, send your ideas to me of what my logo should look like. This was my original logo. I like to keep the idea of a Yoshi egg with a crown, but if you guys have an idea, I will be doing a post, and the winner, by the end of the year, I will be putting his photo right here, his or hers, right here, for my logo for a year, or at least, or a couple of months, I don't know, as long as I need it, probably a year, and then I'll give do a short of a shout out to that person who won. So thank you so much. I think my other me is back inside the game. So let's get back to him. I guess it doesn't let us. Well, that was a waste. The bird's gone now. So now we just leave. I guess so. Well, let's get out of here, I guess. Oh, wait. Oh, it's that other door, isn't it? Oh, we should try it. Okay. Okay, this is an office. Oh, we got another card. Oh, we got another one. Adam Yerman. That is interesting. Okay. Can these guys... Oh, yes. We can't let everything... We gotta do this. This room must not be untouched. Yeah, that's what... Oh! Hey, look at that! Button. Oh, button! Oh, wait. Dummy's still gone. Come here, drone. We should call it something. I'll give you the name Josh because you're green like Josh. Now, Josh, go get it. Get it, Josh. Good job, Josh. You're a good boy. There's enough. Oh. What's this do? Oh, Josh. Josh. Josh, no. You can't move. Oh, shoot. What happened? What's going on here? Come on. I can't move anything. I'm gonna kick this chair. Bam. Oh, what? Oh! Josh, get out of here before you... Oh, you can't get out. Well, Josh, you can come with me. Because... Oh. I'm gonna go... Oh, I can't. Okay. Well, Josh, come on. Vamonos, Josh. Josh. No, Josh! Josh! No! Josh! Oh, Josh? Oh dear. Josh, I think I found the real you. Ah! Oh dear. That's a hand. That's a hand. That's a hand. Oh! Hi, Josh! Ah! Oh. That's gotta leave a mark. Oh wait, I was on there. Oh shoot, no. Am I dead? And that is it, guys. That is Garten of BanBan 1. Thank you guys so much for watching that one. If you want me to do number 2, like this video and comment with your requests, BanBan 2, and I will play it. I mean, I'm gonna play it anyways, but just seeing if you guys want me to play it. Yeah, subscribe to this channel if you are not. If you want to see more of my videos. And yeah, I did give an announcement in the other one as I was doing something stupid. So yeah, I will be following that as well. Till next time, I have to get going, but till next time, I say pickle on.